Hello everyone, thank you for watching NMC channel. Let's join me to watch this video. Thank you.
Come on, sir. Come on, young lady. Good picture.
Welcome to Belize, Harvest Caye Island. This island is a private island, and Norwegian Cruise Line rented this. Coconut.
You do this for some other thing.
Yes, if it's not.
So we are here to go to the offshore snorkeling and to see the coral reef.
Here today? Yeah. Welcome to Belize! Yeah. Welcome to Harvest Caye.
Very good. Guys, I must start by saying good morning.
Good morning!
Very beautiful good morning, guys. Welcome to beautiful Belize. Welcome to beautiful Harvest Caye. Welcome aboard the Reef Looker. Above and below. Guys, we are going to have an unbelievable time. You better believe that. We're going to be a family for the next hour and a half. I must start by introducing the most important person on this vessel. Can you guys guess who is the most important person on this vessel? You guys want to go or you guys want to stay? Yes, you're right. The name of our captain is Tony, like I mentioned earlier. He has 70 years experience. He has been doing this for 74 to be exact. Okay, guys, so let's give it up for Tony, guys, okay? Why are you guys looking at him and like in disbelief? Alright guys, along with Tony you have me. I will be your guide. I mentioned to most of you that my name was Rene. My name is I Love You. So what's my name?
I love you.
Oh wow. Okay, so see guys, I'll have Tony give us a bit of information about this vessel that we're on.
Okay folks, welcome aboard the Reef Looker, or above and below, or some days hot and hotter, depends, like yesterday. Today is okay, today is cool. Guys, this boat is a hydrofoil glass bottom, that contraption right there. The boat actually glides on that there, okay? Plexiglass, that's what we observed through when we arrived, that is 1.25 inches thick. And that magnifies everything by 30%. So what you look at appears bigger and closer. Folks will be traveling 4 nautical miles. Normally that takes us about half an hour. We're going to a reef called Folsom Reef. That's a part of the Great Barrier Reef. That's a fringing reef from off an island called Folsom Caye. Okay, under your seats folks, I have life vests. I have about 35. They're under the seats. Just in case we hit an iceberg. This is how they're applied, okay? I forgot to mention, but I sometimes don't like to mention it because of the politics. This boat was built in Russia. Alright?
Yeah, right.
It's a unique boat, only one of a kind in Belize. This boat normally max out about 40 miles an hour, but with a full capacity this morning we will not get that. We will be cruising on island time, about half an hour to get there. Okay?
Yes.
Also, we got complimentary purified bottled water. If you get thirsty, request one. Folks in there, I know it's a little warm. We'll turn the fans on once we get on the way. Any question?
No.
We good?
Yes.
Guys, if it gets a little choppy out here, you might get a little sprinkle this morning. Just letting you know. It's only salt water, you're on a boat. Any questions?
No.
We good?
Let's go.
Alright, let's do this bungee jump.
Welcome to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. Nickname is the rainforest of the ocean. Guys, in Belize we have the largest living reef, but the second largest reef in the world. Australia has the Great Barrier Reef, as we know, but the key word is living. We have the largest living one. We have 180 miles of beautiful reef that extends right in front of our country, and that's the entire length of our country as well. Guys, you're going to see a lot of beautiful corals. Everything that you're seeing here, guys, is alive. It's not man-made. People tend to assume that some of these things are man-made. Hell no, no man-made. Very beautiful sea stars. Everything is alive here, guys. Nothing is fake, nothing is dead here. Guys, corals comes in two. Comes in hard and comes in soft. Hard corals, soft corals. We have 36 species of soft corals. Soft corals are the one that you see moving. Everything that is moving, one that is waving at us, telling us hi. Then we have hard corals. Hard corals have 76 species of them. If you're not too familiar with corals and you don't know how to identify a coral, I'll give you a trick to it. Very easy. Corals get their name by the way they look or shape. If you see a coral looking like a rod, it's a sea rod. If you see a coral looking like a brain, it's a brain coral. If you see a coral looking like a barrel, it's a barrel coral. If you see a coral looking like a vase, it's a vase coral. Right? Yes, sea star. It's not a fish. The 5 arms. They could grow up to 40 arms. In Japan, it's a delicacy. They make a soup out of it in Japan. Sea stars are so unique that their butt is on top of their head. They have a circular dot on top of their head as well, which indicate the direction in which he or she is traveling. What eat a lot of sea stars are sharks and birds, seagulls. So shark would come or a seagull would come, bite off one of the arms of the sea star, and the sea star is able to regrow back that arm within a year. Very unique. So guys, all this brown stuff that you're seeing are soft corals. Those are sea plums, right? The purple one, more sea plums. If you notice that red stuff that is on top of that encrusted brain coral, that's a sponge. This striped fish is a sergeant major. There's two types of sponges here. Sorry? Yes, corals, guys. Corals are everything that you're looking at, guys, may look like plant, may look like rock. They're not plant, they're not rock. They're living, breathing animals called polyps. So everything that you're looking at is an animal. Hard to believe, but that is true. I had to take a course for this, right? And when my professor told me that everything that I'm looking at is an animal, I told him, sir, you need to get off. Right? Look at how beautiful this scarlet coral is. Right? Corals are in the fossil record book for being the longest living animal on earth. Guys, if you notice, you have some beauty. That yellow fish is a grub. The striped one is a sergeant major.
We are walking to the beach in Belize Harvest Caye. There's the pool, nice pool. And this area is free for cruise customer. This is the private islands that Norwegian rent from the Belize government. anywhere. Just sit around here. But let's go check on the beach.
Good.
Yes, very nice, very sweet. At the beach.
Let's go find. Sorry.
All right, we are at the Belize Harvest Caye. We going to the beach now. I try to walk backward so I can see myself. Let's see. Walk to the beach. Let's get closer to the beach. Let's see. There's a lot of activities out here. There, yeah, that's fine. So this is a nice place. We don't have to pay for it. It's come with the cruise. Let's go test the water and see how cold the water is. But the temperature here is about like 80 degrees, so the water should be nice. All right, let's go test the water. There, I'm ready for the beach now. Let's go to test the water. The water is a little bit cool now. Oh, it feels like 70. Yeah. Once you're in the water, you feel good. It's cool, but it's really nice. Very nice. Very refreshing. You have to try to swim a little bit to cool you down.
Do that.
There's some hot looking. There's some 6-pack and there's some 8-pack and there's one pack. Look at this neat one. It's the beach cover, beach chair cover. It's a place to wash your feet.
Girls, I'm right here.
Yeah. After you wash your feet, you can go over to the pool area right there. You can shower with that. It's a shower. Shower station too. You wash your feet or you can wash your body up there. I'm in the pool area. Hi, this is Nancy. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.